How to sell on Shopify, a complete beginner's guide. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world. It allows anyone to create an online store and sell products without needing advanced technical skill. Whether you want to sell physical products, digital goods, or services, Shopify provides all the tools you need in one place. This guide explains how to sell on Shopify from start to finish. 1. Understanding Shopify. Shopify is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that helps you build, manage, and grow an online store. You do not need to install software or manage servers. Shopify handles hosting. With Shopify, you can create an online store, add and manage products, accept online payments, handle shipping and taxes, track orders and customers, market your products. Shopify works on a monthly subscription model with different plans based on your business size. 2. Creating a Shopify account. To start selling, you first need to create a Shopify account. 1. Visit the Shopify website. 2. Click on Start Free Trial. 3. Enter your email, address, password, and store name. 4. Answer a few questions about your business. You can skip if unsure. 5. Shopify will create your store dashboard. Your store name becomes your default website address. For example, yourstore.myshopify.com. You can later connect a custom domain. 3. Choosing your products. Before selling, you must decide what to sell. Shopify allows you to sell physical products, clothing, electronics, home items, digital products, ebooks, courses, music, services, consulting, coaching, dropshipping products. When choosing products, consider market demand, competition, profit margin, shipping costs, product quality. 4. Adding products to Shopify. Once your store is set up, you need to add products. Steps to add a product. 1. Go to Products in your Shopify dashboard. 2. Click Add Product. 3. Enter the product title and description. 4. Upload product images or videos. 5. Set the price and compare at price if offering a discount. 6. Add inventory quantity. 7. Set shipping weight and options. 8. Save the product. Good product descriptions should clearly explain what the product is, its benefits, features and specifications, how it solves a problem. High-quality images increase trust and sales. 5. Choosing a Shopify theme. A theme controls how your store looks. Shopify offers free and paid themes. To choose a theme. 1. Go to Online Store gives themes. 2. Browse the Shopify theme store. 3. Preview themes before selecting. 4. Click Add or Customize. Customize your theme by adding your logo, changing colors and fonts, editing homepage sections, adjusting layout. Choose a clean, mobile, friendly theme since many customers shop on phones. 6. Setting up payments. To sell on Shopify, you must accept payments. Shopify supports many payment methods, including credit and debit cards, PayPal, Shopify Payments, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Local payment methods. To activate payments. 1. Go to Settings gives payments. 2. Choose Shopify Payments or a third-party provider. 3. Enter your bank and business details. 4. Save your settings. Make sure your payment setup matches your country and currency. 7. Setting up shipping and taxes. Shipping. Shopify allows you to set free shipping, flat rate shipping, calculated shipping based on location and weight. To configure shipping, 1. Go to Settings, give shipping and delivery. 2. Create shipping zones, countries, or regions. 3. Set shipping rates. 4. Save changes. Taxes. Shopify can automatically calculate taxes in many regions to set taxes. 1. Go to Settings, gives taxes and duties. 2. Enter your business location. 3. Enable automatic tax calculation if available. Always check local tax laws to ensure compliance. 8. Creating important store pages. A professional store needs essential pages. Homepage introduces your brand. About us builds trust. Contact us allows customer communication. Privacy policy, refund policy, terms of service, shipping policy. Shopify can generate legal pages automatically. 1. Go to Settings, gives policies. 2. Use the templates provided. 3. Edit if needed and save. 9. Testing your store. Before launching, test everything. Place a test order. Check payment processing. Review shipping rates. Test mobile view. Ensure product pages load correctly. Shopify offers a test payment mode so you can simulate orders without charging money. 10. Launching your store. Once everything is ready. 1. Remove password protection from your store. 2. Connect a custom domain if desired. 3. Announce your store launch. Your Shopify store is now live and ready for customers. 11. Marketing your Shopify store. Selling on Shopify also requires marketing. Popular marketing methods include social media marketing, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, paid ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, influencer marketing. Shopify has built-in marketing tools and apps to help you grow traffic and sales. 12. Managing orders and customers. From the Shopify dashboard, you can view and fulfill orders, track payments, manage refunds, communicate with customers, monitor inventory. Shopify also provides reports to analyze sales, traffic, and customer behavior. 13. Scaling your business. As your business grows, you can add more products, use Shopify apps to automate tasks, improve branding, expand to international markets. Upgrade your Shopify plan. Shopify supports businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large brands. Conclusion. Selling on Shopify is a simple and effective way to start an online business by creating an account, adding products, setting up payments and shipping, and promoting your store. You can reach customers worldwide. Shopify's user-friendly tools make it easy for beginners while offering powerful features for growth with the right products. Good marketing and consistent effort. Shopify can become a strong platform for long-term success.